Guys, so today's review is going to be of the Mint Oreo Blizzard from Dairy Queen. I'm assuming it's going to be similar to what the Shamrock McFlurry would be in the States. So I thought I can't try the Shamrock McFlurry. I thought I'd try the next best thing. I am going to do a video on the Shamrock Shake. Maybe I'm going to try and do that next weekend because I want to compare the two. But this is what it looks like here. I know, not very green, right? It's not easy being green. As you can see, I've had a little bit of it. It was going to overflow and I didn't want it to spill anywhere. Before we get into the review there, don't forget, guys, check out the videos on the end screen. As well as you're watching, don't get subscribed. You love my content. Make sure when you're hitting on that bell, have it set to all notifications. Let's take a look. Hey guys, look at that Blizzard. Oh my goodness, all those Oreos, the mint ice cream, stripping over the sides as you can see. Looks really, really good. Look at that, guys. Hey guys, we're going to have some more of the Blizzard here. I'll give you guys a better look here. The lighting's a little better here on my end. I know it's a classic, and they come out with this year and again, but it's so good. I don't know how much Blizzards are, you guys, in the U.S. or in your area, but this small, it's quite expensive. It was $5.39 before tax. But you gotta treat yourself once in a while, you know what I mean? I recommend you guys try this. Now we'll find out, I guess, next weekend or the week after, whenever I get the Shamrock Shake, if it's any better or which one is better. Let me know in the comments if you're Team Dairy Queen or Team McDonald's. If you tried the Oreo Shamrock McFlurry, you think it's going to be better than the Mint Oreo Blizzard. Let me know. But that being said, well, this is really good. I love Oreos. I love mint ice cream. I could use some more mint, so I'm going to give it 4 out of 5. Other than that, it's really, really good. Definitely a nice treat for sure. This isn't as big as it looks. You guys, let me know in the comments, sir. What's your favorite flavor, Blizzard or Shake? From McDonald's, just let me know in the comments. That being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye, everybody.